12 hidden WhatsApp business features that can make you rich this year. Do you know that you can actually make more money using just WhatsApp business without paying for ads or creating a website? In this video, I'll show you 12 secret features inside WhatsApp business that can help you grow your business, automate sales, and turn simple chats into real income for you. Let's go feature by feature. Feature 1. Your business profile. Your business profile is your digital shopfront. Add your logo, business name, address, working hours, and website link. It builds instant trust, and you know trust equals to sales. When new clients see your complete profile, they feel safe to buy from you. I've been relieved from a lot of stress with the help of my profile. I've gotten people to pay for my courses through my profile. People are very skeptical these days due to the high rate of fraudulent activities, and in more occasions, they trust you with your profile. Don't be using things like cars, houses, toys, trees, etc. No, don't use that. Use a nice picture of you, or you can get a nice flyer of you on your profile. You can get a flyer of your business and add your picture on it and then post it on your profile. Let me give you a hint. Add your WhatsApp link to your social media bios. Every link becomes a potential sale. In my next video, I'll be showing you practical ways you can update your profile. Click the subscribe button so you don't miss it. Like this video and leave a comment in the comment section if you want to see my next video. Feature 2 is the away and greeting messages. These two features on the WhatsApp business works like 24/7 sales assistant. When someone messages you for the first time, your greeting message welcomes them instantly, even when you are sleeping. And the away message keeps your customers updated when you are offline. Use your greeting message to introduce an offer or discount. For example, you can make your greeting message as, "Hi, thanks for reaching out. You can get 10% off your first order." That is greeting message for you. Feature 3 is the quick replies. If you have ever got tired of answering the same customer questions, you can use the quick replies feature to save you from replying same answers again and again to your customers. When people send you a message, for instance, the auto quick reply replies your messages even if you are sleeping. The faster you reply, the higher your chance of closing a sale. I have a class on the WhatsApp automation. This class will help you automate your WhatsApp and chat people even when you are not active on WhatsApp. If you want to join this class, check the description below. The number 4 feature is the product catalog. This feature is gold mine. You can display your products or services right inside WhatsApp like a mini online store. All you need to do is to add product photos, prices, and descriptions. When customers tap on a product, they can message you directly to buy. You can update your catalog weekly and then use beautiful images because people buy what they see. If you don't know how to set up the product catalog, watch out for my next video. I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure on how to go by all the features I've mentioned so far. The number 5 feature I'll talk about is the labels. Labels help you organize your customers, like new order, pending payment, or VIP clients. It helps you follow up professionally and never forget a potential buyer. Follow-up messages convert up to 60% or more sales. Use labels to remind yourself who to message next. The number 6 feature is the broadcast list. This feature helps you to send one message to hundreds of customers without creating a group. This is perfect for promos, product launches, or updates. You can share new deals weekly through your broadcasts. You need to always personalize your message so it doesn't feel like a spam. And the number 7 feature is the QR code and link. You see, every business profile has a unique QR code and link. You can print it on flyers, business cards, or social media posts so people can chat with you instantly. Use the QR code at events, stores, or deliveries. Instant chat means faster conversions. The number 8 feature is the automated response, that is the chat box. If you handle lots of customers online, automation can save your life. You can set up a single chat box to handle frequent asked questions. You can use it to take orders or send payment links automatically. Automation will give you more time to focus on marketing and scaling instead of replying to every single message in your inbox. The number 9 feature is the business statistics. This shows your message insights, how many of your messages were sent, delivered, and read. It's like your WhatsApp analytics dashboard. It analyzes what messages get the most replies and then use that same message style to sell more. The number 10 feature is the catalog sharing across chats. You can now share your entire product catalog in any chat, even in groups. This makes it super easy for people to explore and buy instantly. Use catalog sharing during live WhatsApp classes or status promotion. And the last but not the least feature is the multiple device support. You can now manage your WhatsApp businesses from multiple devices like your laptop or your tablet. You can now use the same WhatsApp number on different devices. This helps team work together and then reply faster. Let a team member handle inquiries while you focus on fulfilling orders or finding new clients. And the last one I'm going to talk about is the payment integration. You see, depending on your country, WhatsApp now allows direct payment inside chats. You can now send or receive money instantly. No need for third-party apps. Link your WhatsApp account and then make buying as easy as sending a message. Now what I want you to do is that set up your profile, then add your catalog, then you automate your messages. In a few weeks, you are going to get so much clients and then make so much money. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a WhatsApp money comment in the comment section, and subscribe, because in my next video I'm going to be showing you practical step-by-step procedure on how you can grow your business with all these WhatsApp business tools and make money every single day. If you don't want to miss out, subscribe and like this video now.